What if I told you a gorilla is stronger than most humans? And you could be too.
I know it sounds wild, but your body has the same raw strength as a silverback.
The catch? Most of us just stopped using our muscles the way nature intended.
If standing up from the floor feels harder, or carrying groceries leaves you sore, it's not because you're failing. It's because your body isn't being challenged the right way.
In this video, I'm showing 5 simple, gorilla-inspired exercises designed specifically for people over 50. Before we get started, take a moment to drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and create a community of action,
not limitation. Gorilla exercise number 1, the wall pull. Let's start with the wall pull. Here's the reality. Most people over 50 can't do a traditional pull-up, and that's completely okay. Pull-ups are tough, and they require significant upper body strength. But here's what most people don't realize. The pull-up isn't the goal. What really matters is reclaiming strength in your back,
shoulders, and grip. Here's how to do the wall pull safely.
Stand facing a wall about an arm's length away. Loop a towel or resistance band around a doorknob or sturdy anchor in front of you. Hold the ends and lean your body back slightly,
as if you're about to fall. Pull yourself toward the wall by driving your elbows back and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Pause at the top.
Then slowly return to the starting position. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 slow, controlled reps.
If you want to make it harder, step your feet farther from the wall.
To make it easier, step closer or use less tension. Most people notice changes in posture, shoulder stability, and grip strength within the first 2 weeks. This isn't just gym strength. It's real-world strength. Strength that lets you carry groceries, shovel snow, or open a tight jar without asking for help. Gorilla exercise. Round 2. Sit to stand power lift. Modified trap bar deadlift. Next, let's work your lower body. Deadlifts are often called the king of strength exercises, and for good reason. They train your legs, hips, back, and core all at once. But for people over 50, traditional deadlifts with heavy barbells can increase the risk of injury. Low positions and heavy loads can strain the knees, back, and shoulders. Here's a safer alternative I call the sit to stand power lift. It's a modified deadlift designed to build lower body strength without stress on your joints. Here's how to do it.
Sit on a sturdy chair or bench with feet flat on the floor.
About shoulder width apart. Hold dumbbells, kettlebells, or even grocery bags at your sides.
Keep them close to your body. Lean forward slightly.
Press your feet into the floor and stand up using a powerful, controlled motion. At the top, squeeze your glutes. Then slowly sit back down under control. Start with 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. If needed, use just your body weight at first, then gradually add resistance as your strength improves. Focus on pushing through your heels rather than your lower back. What's happening here is more than building muscle. You're training your hip drive, the same way gorillas generate massive power.
You're also reinforcing safe bending patterns, improving balance, and rebuilding confidence in your legs. Within just a few sessions,
movements like standing up from low chairs, climbing stairs, or picking objects off the floor feel easier. Remember, the strongest people in their 60s and 70s aren't lifting like they did at 20. They're lifting smarter. Gorilla exercise number 3, hip hinge power swing, modified kettlebell swing.
Gorillas aren't just strong, they're explosive.
They can go from still to full power in an instant.
That ability to generate explosive force fades as we age unless we train it.
The hip hinge power swing rebuilds explosive hip strength safely, which improves walking speed, balance, stair climbing,
and fall prevention. Here's how to do it. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width.
Toes pointing out slightly. Hold a light kettlebell or a water jug with a handle. Bend your knees slightly, push your hips back, and hinge forward with a flat back. Swing the weight gently back between your legs like a football snap. Drive your hips forward fast to bring the weight to chest height.
Your arms shouldn't lift the weight. The power comes from your hips. Squeeze your glutes at the top, brace your core, and let the weight fall naturally. Repeat like a controlled pendulum. Do 3 sets of 10 reps, resting 90 seconds between sets.
Start with a light weight you can control with perfect form. Most people notice stronger hips, faster steps, and better posture within 2 to 3 weeks.
This movement rebuilds the explosive power you need to catch yourself if you stumble, or to get up from a chair quickly and safely. Gorilla exercise. For 4, loaded walk, modified farmer's carry.
Gorilla's grip is incredible. It can crush 1,300 psi. You don't need that level of power, but strong hands and shoulders make everyday life much easier. If opening jars, carrying groceries, or holding a bag of laundry feels difficult, the loaded walk is a game changer. Here's how to do it. Grab 2 moderately heavy objects: dumbbells, kettlebells, water jugs, or even grocery bags filled with books. Stand tall with shoulders back and chest lifted. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. Walk slowly and steadily for 30-45 seconds, about 40-60 steps. Gently set the weights down. That's 1 set, do 3 sets with 60-90 seconds of rest between each. This simple movement strengthens your grip, shoulders, core, hips, and legs, all working together. It improves posture, coordination, and stability. For an added bonus, try it barefoot at home. It strengthens your feet and ankles, which helps with balance and reduces the risk of falls. Gorilla exercise. Number 5, seated rope pull with leg drive, modified rope climb. Finally, let's reconnect your whole body. Gorillas climb trees using their arms and legs together.
They don't rely on their arms alone. Their entire body is coordinated.
This last exercise trains the same mind-muscle connection in a safe, controlled way. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair or bench with your feet flat. Anchor a rope, towel, or resistance band above shoulder height. Hold the ends with both hands and extend your arms fully. Pull hand over hand toward your chest while pressing your feet into the floor.
Mimicking a climbing motion. Slowly return to the start with control. Do 3 rounds of 6 to 8 slow, controlled climbs. Adjust the difficulty by using more or less tension, or by changing your posture slightly. This movement strengthens your grip, arms, shoulders, core, and legs, while improving coordination and balance. Safety tips before you start these exercises. Here's a quick but important safety note. Avoid these movements if you've had recent surgery on your back, knees or shoulders. Skip or modify exercises if you have severe osteoporosis, advanced arthritis, or balance problems that make standing unsafe. Always check with your doctor or physical therapist if you're unsure. There's no shame in starting slower. Even simple seated versions or bodyweight only practice can deliver huge benefits.
Remember, consistency beats intensity. Step by step is the key to rebuilding safe, functional strength, putting it all together. So, there you have it. 5 gorilla-inspired exercises rebuilt for life after 50. These aren't circus tricks or ego lifts. You don't need to lift 1,300 pounds or swing from trees. What you do need is functional strength. Strength that shows up in everyday life.
Carrying groceries without a sore back.
Getting up from the floor with ease. Climbing stairs without fear.
Or playing with your grandkids without fatigue. The secret is simple. Train your body as a whole system, not isolated muscles. That's how gorillas move, and that's how humans were designed to move too. When all parts work together, strength feels effortless. Here's my challenge for you. Pick just 2 of these exercises and practice them consistently for the next 4 weeks.
Stay steady, focus on control, and don't rush. If you're ready to reclaim energy, confidence, and independence, drop a quick "I'm in" the comments. Share this video with someone who's been feeling weaker each year. You'll give them hope that it's never too late to get stronger. Remember, we don't get old because of the number on our birthday cake. We get old when we stop moving. So let's move smarter, stronger, and together. And if you want more exercises like this, don't forget to subscribe and join the community. Let's take action and build real strength at any age.